Hello and welcome again to Amazing Cars Review, and today we have the amazing Rolls-Royce Spectre. This is the Rolls-Royce EV. I'm going to be showing you the B-rolls and the amazing features that this car comes with. Is it worth it for your money? Let's jump on right to it. Let's start with the front design of the Rolls-Royce Spectre. As you see, Rolls-Royce, they always have to keep their design going. They don't change it so much. So we have the daytime running lights here, and then these are their headlights, and then down here it's just chrome going on with the gloss black, but it has the parking sensors and a nice design down here. These vents right here, they open up when the car is on, the car is not on. And then here is the grille of the Spectre right here. You know, it's just normal traditional Rolls-Royce language. Here's the front of the Rolls-Royce Spectre, and we have a bunch of sensors here. You know, this car has a lot of features that comes with it. Here's the wheels, normal, like traditional Rolls-Royce design. This one, they kind of did it differently because it's an EV, and as you know right now, a lot of cars, they come with design on the EVs. They just kind of look futuristic, but I love it. This is just like a traditional Rolls-Royce kind of design, and these are 22-inch wheels. They're wrapped in 255/45 R22s, and these are Pirelli tires, and it looks good on this car. You know, looking at the Spectre on the side of it, the design is really nice. It's two-door, and I love the design from the front going all the way to the back. It's like a hatch on it, looks like a station wagon. I don't even know what to say, but this is a really nice design. Before we jump in the inside, I want to go to the trunk and see how much space we have in the trunk and see what we have on the back side of the Rolls-Royce Spectre. This is the back of the Rolls-Royce Spectre. The back lights, they're full LED, and they have a nice design right there. They did like the logo in it, and this design is so nice. Down here, you know, we got sensors in the back, and we have the reverse lights, the brake lights right there, and it looks good from the back too. You know, we have backup camera right here, and this car looks good from the back too. Let's open the trunk and see what we have here. As you can see, the trunk is open, and this is the space we have in the back of the Rolls-Royce Spectre. The material in here is not normal like the other cars. You know, you got really nice, expensive material even in the trunk. Let's see what we have underneath here. This is where the charger is. This is the Rolls-Royce charger that you can actually put in your home. You can charge your car in your home. You don't have to go to the stations. Yeah, that's where the charger is. There's nothing else in the trunk, but you can actually fit 2 big bags in here. Just a normal size, not the gigantic bags that you travel to go back in Africa. You put a lot of stuff in there. Just normal bags. Yeah, it's just closing the trunk is just as normal. You do right there like that, and then it closes. You can look at the aerodynamic of this car from this angle, where you see the backlight and the wheels from the back, the kind of hatchback design. Looks amazing, man. Let's get inside the Rolls-Royce Spectre and see what we have in there. When you open like that, I'm inside of the Rolls-Royce Spectre, and I'm looking at the steering wheel. On the left side, there's your settings for cruise control and adaptive cruise controls right here. And then you can see it's a really nice steering wheel, nice design, and it's wrapped in a nice leather, premium. This leather is not normal as the other leather steering wheels I've touched. This is different. It feels different. It just feels expensive. On the right side, we have volume controls, radio controls, hands-free controls, and there's a microphone right here. You press on it and you speak to your Rolls-Royce Spectre, you know, like a boss. And right behind the steering wheel, there's a gauge cluster right there that showcase all your information when you're driving. Here's the gear shifting knob. It has all the controls right there, just normal as the Cadillac, Mercedes, you know. You push down to drive, you push up to reverse, and then you press on the P to park, just the same. And then here we have the infotainment screen. It's a touch screen. You can see the status of the vehicle through this screen, and all standard features you get in any other car, they're in this infotainment screen right here. And it looks nice. It feels so smooth, and you will know by touching it that this is an expensive car. This is high-end screen. This is beautiful. This is nice. It has a bunch of features on there. And then down here, the climate controls, they look nice. It feels expensive. It looks expensive. It sounds good. Now here we have the air vents. Everything feels so expensive in here. And then down here we have the climate controls. Everything feels expensive in here. This is a nice design. You know, you have your controls down here for your radios, and you know, it looks nice. This is where the cup holders are. You see the beautiful real wood right here, and it feels nice. So nice. And down here we have this is a control. If you don't want to touch the screen, you can use this to control the screen right there. You see, you ain't gotta touch the screen if you don't want to. Sometimes touching the screen, you leave the fingerprints on there. If you don't want to do that, you can use this to control your screens right there. You know, it's nice. It feels expensive. This is nice. Everything in here feels expensive, looks expensive, and is expensive. And we have more storage down here. All you gotta do is just push this back and you get a little more storage. Once you're done, you push it back, you open here, you find out there's more storage again. You can put anything in here. And then down here we have a power outlet USB-C. You know, you can store anything in there and then just close it. Let's go to the back seat and see the space in the back and what we have in the back. This is my view from the back of the Rolls-Royce Spectre. And when you open the door, you look at the lights welcoming you in here. All this, man, amazing stars. Wow, this is beautiful, man. This seat is comfortable, and I'm inspired to be a boss, man. Where I'm seated at, I see the controls. Here's the air vents. My climate control is here, and this is for my heated seats. Cup holders right here, and more storage here. I can put anything I have back here. I have power outlet here for USB-C, and then I close it like that when I'm done. And this is my view from this side. The orange interior is just shouting on my face, and it looks nice. The carpet is premium. So nice back here. Feel like a boss, man. It feels good in here. The stars looks nice, and the leather. This is all leather. This is leather. with the stars, and then lighting controls right here. This is Napa leather all the way. This leather all the way. I like the orange and the white. It just works out together nicely. And the white leather on top of my head right here. The leather is so soft. I'm loving this. Everything about this car is beautiful. Everything about this car is expensive. It looks expensive and it's actually expensive. Yeah, this is the Rolls-Royce Spectre. Thank you so much for watching Amazing Cars Review. Make sure you share, like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you'll be the first one to see beautiful cars like this, amazing cars. Thank you so much and God bless you.